Let's talk about this camping axe from Temu. I figured it was a hatchet, but they're all called axes on there. So I'm asking you, what's the difference between a hatchet and an axe? I feel like I knew the difference, but anyway, I got this thing because it was less than $10 and it looked lightweight, and so I wanted to give it a shot. I have an old cheap hatchet that I got at Harbor Freight about a decade ago, so I just wanted something different to actually take with this. It was already sharp out of the package. I like the paracord handle and hope that will work well. As you can see, there's not a lot of weight behind the blows on this, so I was just wanting to test it out on this dead limb. Probably wouldn't recommend this for your everyday hatchet if you're collecting firewood out backpacking or camping. Now let's talk about this handle. Pretty cool idea with the paracord, right? Bad part is, you saw how many whacks I took on that wood before that paracord came loose. Still barely putting a dent in this wood here. I got paracord dangling everywhere. Let's move over to the fire pit. I grabbed some birch wood to start a fire, and I take this extra piece of the birch wood and I'm shaving off some of the bark here. To be honest, I should use a better technique than kind of just leaning over and doing it, but it was so-so on shaving off wood for kindling. I mean, I guess it could work. I think the bottom line is, yes, you can use this thing. It's not great. So I want to ask you, do you think it's worth $9?